Mastering how. Understand condition or quality in English questions. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the depths of English language learning. Today, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most versatile question words, how. But more specifically, we will be focusing on how to use how to ask about condition or quality. Let's jump right in. First things first, what does how mean in English questions? It is primarily used to ask about the method or manner in which something happens or is done. But that's not all. How is a flexible word, and it can also be used to ask about a thing's condition or quality. Consider this example. How is the weather? Here, how is used to ask about the condition of the weather. Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy? Another example. How is the soup? In this context, how asks about the quality of the soup. Is it tasty, too salty, or perhaps too cold? Now that we've got a basic understanding, let's dive into the first usage. Asking about condition. When you ask someone, how is your day? You're asking about the condition of their day. Similarly, how are you feeling? Asks about a person's current state or condition. Remember that when we talk about condition, we often refer to states, feelings, or situations. The next usage of how we will discuss is when asking about quality. When we use how in this sense, we're often asking for an evaluation or an opinion. Consider the question, how was the movie? Here, we're asking for an evaluation of the movie's quality. Similarly, how is the new smartphone you bought? Is a question asking for an evaluation of the quality of the smartphone. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Remember, in both cases, we use how to ask for someone's perception or assessment. So, I want you to pause this video for a moment and think about 5 questions using how to ask about condition and another 5 to ask about quality. Then, resume the video and check the examples we provide. Here are ours. Condition. How is your health? How is the traffic today? How is the baby doing? How is your mood right now? How is your new job going? Quality. How was your vacation in Spain? How is the new Italian restaurant in town? How was the concert last night? How is your new car performing? How was the recent episode of your favorite TV show? Compare your examples with ours. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use how in your conversations. And that's a wrap, language learners. Today, we've learned how to use how to ask about both condition and quality. Remember, how is a very versatile question word in English. It can help us inquire about someone's experiences, feelings, or opinions. So don't hesitate to use it to ask and learn more about the world around you. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next English language learning journey.